We'll guide you through how to work Blender, a powerful 3D creation suite. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop. Once it's open, you'll be greeted with the default startup file featuring a cube in the center of the workspace. To start creating, you can use the left side toolbar where you have tools like Location, Rotate, and Scale, which are essential for manipulating objects. For more precise control, you can use the hotkeys G for Grab, R for Rotate, and S for Scale. Now, if you want to add a new object, go to the top menu, click on Add, and choose from options like Mesh, Curve, or Light. To navigate the 3D viewport, hold the middle mouse button to orbit around the scene, or hold Shift and the middle mouse button to pan. Use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. To switch between different modes, like Object Mode and Edit Mode, use the Tab key. In Edit Mode, you can modify the vertices, edges, and faces of your object. The right side of the screen houses the Properties panel, where you can adjust the material, texture, and other settings for your objects. If you're ready to render your scene, go to the Render menu at the top and choose Render Image or Render Animation. Remember, rendering can take some time depending on the complexity of your scene. Also, you can save your project by going to File, then Save As, and selecting your desired directory and file name. Blender's interface might seem overwhelming at first, but with practice, you'll find it incredibly powerful and versatile. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.